Full day eating, day 48 as a personal trainer. So right here I had a pretty big breakfast, banana meal prep, just banana on this breakfast. Right here I had 2 protein bars and beef jerky, and right here is a screenshot of 10 eggs, because that's what I had for dinner. Pretty much I want to know what type of content you guys want me to post in the future. I can't always post full day eating videos because this is a job and this takes time to make, because I can't just post it in the middle of the day if I never had dinner. So I mean, what type of videos you guys want to see in the future, what type of questions you want me to answer, stuff like that, please comment below so I can know if you're watching this far. And if you are, thank you.